Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to configure southbound device in the NeuronEX to connect with process OPC simulation server. Okay, now in this video we will see how to import and export southbound device configuration in the NeuronEX. So here is the NeuronEX. Okay, now you can see there is no southbound device right now. I can import the configuration of the southbound device directly in the NeuronEX and we can start reading the data from that device. Okay, so I have already created the configuration for southbound device which is available on my desktop. So we can directly import the configuration of process OPC simulation server as a southbound device and we can directly start reading the data from that OPC server. So how you can do that? So that thing we are going to cover in this video. So if you want to import any south device configuration, then you can click here on the import. Okay, and it will open the file explorer. And here you can see process OPC southbound device configuration for NeuronEX, which I have already created. Okay, now I can double click and I can import, and you can see it is already connected. And if I open or if I go inside it, then you can see simulation group is already created and the tag count is 7. Okay, and here is the tag which is available in the process OPC simulation server. Now if I want to monitor the tag, then I can directly click on the data monitoring, or I can click on the group list. Okay, and here you can see the monitoring option is available, so we can directly monitor the data from here. Okay, so this is how the import is work for the southbound device. And if you want to export it, okay, so if you want to export this, then you can click here. Okay, or you can select the device which you want to export, and then you can click on the export to export that JSON file. Okay, your device southbound device JSON file. So once you open it, then you will have entire device detail. You can see the group is simulation, the interval is 100 millisecond, and here is the address. Okay, the attribute, okay, I mean read, write, or subscribe. And then after you can see the tag name. Okay, the type, I mean type in the sense your double type, integer 16, integer 32. Okay, everything is available here. And below you will see the OPC UA server details. So it's our device name. Okay, and here is the endpoint URL for our process OPC UA simulation server, and this is the plugin we have used, and there is no password, no certificate and key required to connect with OPC UA server. So this is how the JSON is created. Okay, and this is how you can export the south device JSON, and this is how you can import the southbound device JSON file in the NeuronEX software. So all you have to do is you can click here on the import to import the southbound device file, and once you import, once you modify it, and if you want to export it again and you want to save it for the future purpose, then you can select your device and you can click here on the export to export the device configuration in the JSON format. So I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt inside this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also you can send me a mail, also you can comment on this video. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.